Hey there! Are you looking to start building a sustainable income source on the web but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to have a clear understanding of your target audience and what they're looking for. This will help you tailor your content to their specific needs and preferences. Next, you need to identify a niche for your content. This could be anything from fashion, health, travel, or technology. The key is to find something you're passionate about and where you can provide valuable, informative content. Now that you have a niche, it's time to create your content. This could be through blogging, creating videos, or even creating digital products such as ebooks or courses. The most important aspect is to consistently produce high-quality content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. You can monetize your content in a variety of ways, such as through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own products. The key is to find the methods that work best for you and your niche. Another important aspect of building an online income source is to have a strong online presence. This includes having a professional website or blog, creating engaging social media content, and actively participating in online communities. Lastly, don't forget to be consistent and patient. Building an online income source takes time and dedication, so it's crucial to stay committed to your goals and never give up. In conclusion, building a sustainable online income source for beginners involves identifying a target audience, creating valuable content, monetizing your efforts effectively, and having a strong online presence. With the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve your financial goals and start living your dream online.